nu usatali ilangi e whaaola tanga I aso tatas. Le vai tawhi malosi mai I maunga. Le te leo mataua mai o timunga. Le vai e ta tefi ai nuina. Le vai e aso mai o lima. Iae. E toi whawhelo I atu le mamalu o pa anga masani. Ole Mea-Uli Samoa. I'd like to welcome everyone once again watching Ole Mea-Uli Samoa at this time. I want to address one thing first before I go into our topic today. Many people have said, well, you should change your name. You Mea-Uli Samoa. We've already agreed to change Le Mea-Uli Samoa. Listen, Ole Taumafaya tu sui. I'm quite aware that although many of you are being brought to light on the issue, iai nisi, lo iai ale langona iale e puleala tau mal whaongaina lo puso le winga la lo ingoa, ma le dash ngai ku ile ingoa Mea-Uli, leango le ingoa lo ke lo lai whaikangaka. It's a name that I know people are saying when they see me. Me se rata ngata la waita vo yanga ya tevini le anga le Mea-Uli na fo anga usala le dashlinga o le unga ngifo o le unga ngifo Mea-Uli ma fo anga na o le ngol me usabo le anga ke lo ai iskanga o la ya Mea-Uli. But it's okay, you know, o le ya na to vai mai wa ka wa inga masau le alu o lo le But let's get right to it. This morning, if you've seen the title of our live, there are 6 words there. Suafa, Afio'aga, Alalafaga, Tausami, Taumafa, Alaala. So, the reason why I bring these up, because these are commonly misused. Now, what do I mean? Let me go deeper into context. You see, the Samoan culture is one of humility, of meekness and humbleness. It is one of respect. So the Samoan culture, you never elevate yourself. You always elevate the other person above you. That's the act of our culture. You always humble yourself and you elevate the person you are speaking to. So when using upu fa'aloalo, Samoan respectful words or the respectful Samoan language, we tend to misuse some of these words. Fatalo fatui na uso ya matofa fine ye fatasi tato life. So that's the reason why I bring these words up, because they're commonly misused. So le la fa yakut fa ka inga talofa o lo suafa o mason o te sau mai Alalafaga o mai loa o te fia tausami ia le Tausami ai tu iai le si pipi o te fia Taumafa le Coca-Cola o lo o Alaala ngi Hawaii. Incorrect, because then I am giving myself respect. You don't do that in Samoa. You simply say Olo Uingoa, O Mason, your name. O te sau mai le Alalafaga po le Afio'aga, le ai I le whaonga. O te sau mai le nu. O te sau mai le nuu o malai loa. Olo fia ye ai ia le steak and eggs. O te fia inu le Coca-Cola. Olo o nofo nei I Hawaii. So if you've noticed, the terms that I've used, I haven't used the fa'aloalo terms for myself, because then it defeats the whole purpose of our culture, which is to humble yourself. So o upula na e ono. Those are the 6 words that I want to share with you folks, and that'll be our live for today. Well, not today, this morning. Later on, we'll go on live again. But again, You never give yourself the respectful terms. You always relay it to your counterpart, and because that is the culture of Samoa. That is the Samoan culture. In the Ngangana Samoa as well, you always respect your counterpart. You cannot give yourself, because then you will elevate yourself above the person you are talking to, and that is a no-go. Kapuisar menga, o menga ka fa Samoa fa maulunga. Le lau fa maisi ka ngako fa maulunga. Pule o kou. Ai o le tatou whaasole nai le neitai o upu Samoa na pe o na iai le Suafa o le ingoa, your name, Afio'aga, Alalafaga, o le nu'u, your village, o le Tausami po Taumafa, o le ai, or to eat or drink, and then Alaala is midnight in Nofwai, or to sit. Some people use the term Alaala ifo ilalo, Alaala ifo ilalo, sit, have a sit, have a sat. It can also relate to your residence. Po meanga ke ngofo ai, po fea lava nai te Alaala iai po Australia, New Zealand, America. O le tatou whaasola na. Please remember to use these terms correctly, and and if you are eager to learn more, I'm willing to teach. Yeah. God bless you all. Stay blessed, everyone. And I'll see you folks later. Manuteleina la sang fufuango le ne yaso. Ia tuli muri awina o tau le anga le ma le lofo siri ese. Sau se temi tato to ta yai pe afina ngalo lo fa yai te pau le langi. Ya. Ona tato to fa sola I nisi mta upu na yono Suafa, Afio'aga, Alalafaga, Tausami, Taumafa, male Alaala. So Alaala ngala ai foi si spelling o pole the spelling there. It's not Alaala, A-L-A-L-A, it's A-L-A-A-L-A. Yeah, tato fa sona ne tau. Soifua ma ia manuia.